cover-up, how do you use highlights and contrast to enhance the detail of a tattoo?
Highlights and shading are more important than ever when doing cover-ups because you're really trying to assert the dominance of a new design over this old mess. So usually I try to create large gradients with my shading, find some large areas that I can go dark with, and by carefully designing around the existing piece to have some relatively large areas that are going to be lighter. In those lighter areas, I will hide the old stuff using detail and texture, but try not to use too much shading in those foreground shapes. And then those dark areas, I'm going to go nice and deep with those, with big gradients. If you're careful and choose the right parts of the cover-up to put your lighter shapes in, you'll end up having some places where you can have lighter colors and highlights in order to contrast all that dark shading. Part of the art of cover-up is to respond to what you're covering, to really look at it and ask yourself, where can I get away with putting light shapes, and then design everything else around that.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, you can click here. To start from the beginning of the first insight, you can click here. And if you'd like to push your tattooing further, hit this link right here.